Indonesia has taken a significant step in international peacekeeping by assuming a deputy commander role in the US-led International Stabilisation Force in Gaza. This deployment involves thousands of Indonesian troops focusing on civilian protection and humanitarian efforts, highlighting Indonesia's growing influence in global peacekeeping missions. Meanwhile, NATO commemorates the 4th anniversary of Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, a stark reminder of ongoing geopolitical tensions and military engagements in Eastern Europe. This anniversary underscores the persistent challenges and strategic recalibrations facing NATO and its allies. In a related development, European nations are ramping up their defense spending as the United States slows its defense budget growth. This shift is reshaping the global defense landscape, with Europe aiming to bolster its military capabilities amid rising geopolitical uncertainties. The U.S. Army is accelerating the development of a 1,000-kilometer anti-ship precision strike missile, PRSM, a move aimed at enhancing long-range strike capabilities. This initiative reflects the Army's strategic focus on countering maritime threats and expanding its operational reach. The Pentagon's FY26 budget plan further emphasizes this strategic shift, allocating $152 billion for munitions, missile defense, and shipbuilding. This substantial investment underscores the U.S. commitment to maintaining its military edge through enhanced infrastructure and technological advancements. Turning to the markets, Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, is advancing AI integration in military aircraft by testing autonomous identification capabilities on the F-35. This development has positively impacted Lockheed Martin stock, which saw a modest increase of 0.36% to $660.62, reflecting investor confidence in its technological innovations. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, is expediting the production of the B-21 Raider with a $4.5 billion funding boost. This acceleration aims for delivery by 2027, reinforcing Northrop Grumman's position in the advanced military aircraft sector. The stock rose by 0.25% to $725.39, indicating market optimism about its production capabilities. Kratos Defense, ticker symbol KTOS, has secured a $12.4 million contract with the U.S. Air Force to design an engine for the collaborative combat aircraft. This contract win, coupled with strong financial results, has bolstered investor confidence, although the stock dipped slightly by 1.84% to $94.31, reflecting broader market pressures. RTX, ticker symbol RTX, has achieved significant milestones in defense and autonomy, including Navy approval for Raytheon's Stormbreaker and advancements in autonomous mission software. Despite these achievements, RTX's stock fell by 1.46% to $201.92, as investors weigh the mixed signals from broader market trends. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, is demonstrating innovation with AI for space-grade hardware, overcoming initial skepticism from manufacturers. This advancement in integrating AI into aerospace applications is crucial for Boeing's strategic positioning, although its stock saw a slight decline of 0.69% to $230.44, reflecting cautious investor sentiment. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor Lockheed Martin's AI advancements for potential growth in defense tech. 2. Northrop Grumman's B-21 Raider production boost signals strong demand in military aviation. 3. European defense spending increases could benefit regional defense contractors.